Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is Dave from DLLM Cactus. I have another small unboxing here. Whenever you see it is from Bella, New Mexico, you know that that's Mesa Garden. So excited, have a couple plants here, and yeah, let's get to it. Throwing the knife. Okay, everything wrapped up nice. Oh, it even says on there. So we got the Ferocactus rectispinus. Wanted to get a bunch of smaller Ferocactus to put out into the new polytunnel greenhouse there. Oh, super cool. Great spines on that. That's the rectispinus. Ow. This one's going to be Chrysocanthus. Ferocactus. My favorite Ferocactus. So excited. Oh, nice. Super cool. It's the Ferocactus Chrysocanthus. This one is going to be, never seen this one, so I'm excited. Ferocactus Santa Maria. You can tell too, not to go off key, but you can tell right in the soil there, vermiculite. It's kind of where I got kind of hooked on the vermiculite. I was watching one of the videos early on when I was seed growing, and they use vermiculite in their regular cactus mix. Oh, that's a cool pharaoh. So yeah, I'm definitely a big fan of vermiculite, especially because we're in a real arid desert climate here in Vegas too. So it just helps with a little moisture retention. Gosh, that's a pretty pharaoh. I like that one a lot. This one, Ferocactus gracilis. Everybody loves the red spines of the gracilis. It's definitely poking through. Ooh, nice. Very nice Ferocactus gracilis. That's what I love buying from Mesa too, is you know you're getting the plants and the just legit labels everything about it. So this one's another one that I haven't seen before either. Ferocactus schwarzii. Oh, that's different. Really compact spines. Ferocactus schwarzii. Cool, cool. This one is going to be Echinocactus plateacanthus. Blue skin stout spines. Staying with the barrel theme here. Oh, that's cool looking. I have some of these growing from seed right now, but this is a lot bigger, so nice. Big spines on them. Ferocactus latispinus. Trying not to break the label. Cool. Ferocactus latispinus. Perfect. Ow. Ow. Yeah, that one got me. Kind of has like a little hook to it. I'm used to it by now. That's what this is. Something got in there. Some sort of spine. Ferocactus peninsula. Oh, very nice. Really dark at the top too, like that. Ferocactus peninsula. Roots on that. That is it for the plants. But you know, can't order from Mesa without a little mini box of some seeds here. I'm always enticed to get more seeds. I have too many seeds. I am definitely loaded in that category right now. Oh, it looks like I bought a bunch. Uh-oh. All right, let's see what we got here. Copiapoa Magariza? Don't know. Let's start it. I definitely know I got two of these. Copiapoa Cinerea Columna albas. Those are the Carl Canai 611s. Definitely wanted more of those. Cocambana, right there. Black spines. Got Copiapoa echinoids. Heavy black spines, 10 count. Cocambana pseudococambata. Dark clustering. Escobaria missouriensis. Then the Ferocactus chrysocanthus. These are the yellow spine. Chrysocanthus. Really neat there. Got some Ferocactus gracilis. Two of those. Oh, the Coloradus gracilis, which is the really thick spine. I was happy to get that. Ferocactus macrodiscus. I love the pilosis, so I got that one. This is a straight pilosis. And then I grew some of these from seed, just had a small pack. These are awesome. Ferocactus pilosis glossicens. So blue barrel hybrid with pilosis. They get thick as seedlings. And then Lophophora freeshii. And then they always give me a little gift there, so I appreciate that. That's a Mammillaria ablicans. All right, everything potted up here. That's the Ferocactus schwarzii, Ferocactus chrysocanthus, Ferocactus rectispinus, Ferocactus Santa Maria. Really pretty. That's going to be the Ferocactus gracilis on the right, Ferocactus peninsula, Ferocactus latispinus, and then the Echinocactus plateacanthus. Hope I didn't butcher that, but got all 8 of them out here. Out here in the kind of polytunnel. Going to do a little update this weekend and kind of show you how that's going. But thanks for watching, and we will see you later this week.